Looking to cut down on printing costs without sacrificing quality? The XL Black Replacement Ink Cartridge for Kodak Verite inkjet printers offers twice the ink volume of standard cartridges, letting you print up to approximately 400 pages per cartridge. That means fewer replacements and more value for your money. I've used these Kodak Verite XL cartridges for a while, and the difference is clear. Installation is a breeze, no messy ink bottles or refilling tanks. Just snap the cartridge in place, and you're ready to print. This ease of use makes it perfect for anyone who wants reliable ink without the hassle. What really stands out is how these cartridges maintain consistent print quality. Whether you're printing documents or photos, the black ink stays sharp and clear. Plus, the cartridges fit perfectly with Kodak Verite 5XL and 3XL models, ensuring smooth performance every time. Many users have praised how quickly the cartridges arrive and how simple they are to install. Even those who've had their Kodak Verite printers for years appreciate that these replacement cartridges are still easy to find and purchase, especially through Amazon. That availability matters when you want to avoid downtime. While some have noted issues with the printer itself, the ink cartridges remain a dependable choice. If you already own a Kodak Verite printer, upgrading to these XL cartridges can extend your printing sessions and reduce frequent cartridge swaps. It's a practical way to save without compromising quality. If you're tired of constantly replacing ink and dealing with complicated setups, this cartridge offers a straightforward solution. The snap-in design eliminates mess and frustration, so you can focus on your printing tasks. It's worth a look if you want dependable ink that lasts longer. Ready to get more pages for your money? These XL Black Replacement Ink Cartridges for Kodak Verite printers deliver solid performance and convenience. Try them when you're ready to experience hassle-free printing and save on ink costs without cutting corners. Don't let ink expenses slow you down. With Kodak Verite XL cartridges, you get more prints, easy installation, and reliable quality. If that's you, upgrading your ink supply today could make a noticeable difference in your daily printing routine.